That's funny. That was a little food stop. The good old Crosby Pub. Very nice food as well. Chicken goujons, I highly recommend them. As I said, we're cutting the day short because we were going to run out of time. Which is a bit of a shame. Careful there, Kim. I think where we're going, Kim, if I'm right, is... Oh, look at that! Wow! Very nice. I think where we're going is for a play in all these hills. This is, we're heading up towards one of Kimmy's old horse riding areas, is it, Kim? Yeah. But she just said it's about 20 years since she's been up this way and she can't really remember where she's going. Oh. And we're running out of battery on my phone, which has got OS maps in. We thought I learned after the Welsh Green Lane trip, but it seems we have technical difficulties because the cable I brought don't fucking charge my iPhone. Well, the food was good, but man, I'm full. I just hope it stays down once we've gone over all these green lanes. There's a bit of a switchback left-hand turn up ahead, Kim, which is telling us. Oh yeah. Glorious sunshine today, isn't it? Cool. Oh, I hope that. Yep. Alright. So anything could have changed. Manx 2-day trial this way. Cool, right, go on. Ballacrane, the famous corner where George Formby ran into the pub, and then also made famous by another friend of ours just a bit further up the road round Ballacrane at Ballaspur, is it, Kim? Where Milky Quail clipped the wall and partly plays with his motorbike. Yeah. Ended up in Kim's friend's garden. Oh, look at that view! What a place! This is stunning.
Yeah, here we have the 8-bitch doing this job.
Make it look hard work. That's just, I'm going to say it's the bad side, but it's not really, is it? Because you can put up with a little bit of a scratch and a bit of a scrape when you're doing stuff like this, and it's absolutely awesome with views like we've got in front. You know what I mean? Ow!
Oh, it's attached to me still.
I don't think my hearing is, I think it's just left the chat.
Why?
Because he's screaming.
I got, look on the camera, I got spikes. Well, I do miss having the horses. I remember coming up here as a kid.
lucky. That escalated quickly, didn't it? Don't run over the spiky metal piece, nearly did though.
This is that rough bit now. What about when it comes down?
You weren't kidding.
Let me have a minute.
Yeah, yeah. See why look. I know it's sit down, can't stand up with them all though. They're all up my neck height. Ooh.
Ow!
Fucking hell, right.
I've done right.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, right. Ooh, that's a nice little run. Plenty of brambles to put you off, and rocks under your tyres that just move and they can't stop. And lovely. Great little lane that one. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, here's the bend, here's the road.
Yeah, just concentrate on what you're doing.
I am.
Didn't look like it from back here. Oh wow, right, I get what you mean.
So we can go straight over if you want down there.
Okay, well.
Yeah. It just comes out on a nasty. I think I'd fall if I took the trailer.
Wow, can't see a fucking thing. There's nothing coming here.
Push!
I'll come and get you. I'll come and get you.
I think I just stalled it. Yeah, it's a bad road to come out on.
Yeah, it's a shit of that, isn't it?
Fucking hell, they don't half want to get close to you, do they?
Yeah. Go.
You're clear.
I don't help, you're in fucking neutral.
Maybe that's what happened then. You got plenty of time. It was just the wrong bloody camber. Looks like I proper bent my foot peg. I have.
Yep.
I squashed my foot peg.
That's what happens when you throw them on 4.
Oh, can't do that again.
That wasn't too bad. Well, we can turn right, or I can't really tell because my phone's bouncing around and my eyes aren't focusing on it, but we might even be able to go straight across when we get to the end of here and follow another little single track road like this. Take us back to where we sort of headed to. Right, okay, so when we get to the end of here oh, have you seen all them old Henry Hoovers made as plant pots? That's funny. Right, just wait there a sec, don't get too close to the junction because I just want to check the mappage. Apparently there's a green lane that way and turn left and go up, but right, okay. Yeah. We're good? Well, I'm out, love. Plenty of time. Yeah, it is that one left, I think. Porttown Quarry. Alright, okay, so it's not this one, sorry. Alright, thank you. I saw the sign at the last second that said Porttown Quarry. Well, it's that there according to my fucking map. We've just gone past it. Well, you wouldn't have been getting up it anyway, that's for sure. Crossroads sign, is it just before this white sign here? Is that it? No. Kim's finding us the little hidden gems. And probably more brambles for her to scream about as well. Just hope my camera's running. Yep. Yeah, it's yeah, not as bad as some of the ones we've done this morning, is it? Yeah, I found your brambles, love. Nice. Oh yeah. No, we can go that way because it's cutting it off because we've not got enough time to do them all. So, and then we've got a little jump across Cronky Body, and then we're off up onto the top. So let's go that way. Unsuitable for motor vehicles. Now. Oh, you cunt. Glad I got that on camera.